Hello YouTubers, this is Windmill. Today I want to show you to make a homemade scale band for circle marking. Sometimes if you want to make holes around this can, maybe you need very difficult scales to mark on this surface. Sometimes to use this tape on it and make holes, but I wanna show you a different way, very easy way to use this rubber band. The round one, and the thickness will be around 5 mm. Get this one and wrap around this can like this. Make it easy and plain to mark it. And then if you use this marking pen and mark each and every lines based on your scale. This will be around 1 centimeter distance. And for the detailed marking, I made another line on this rubber band. Maybe you can reuse it just to see. I have a black line in between the red lines. Okay, like this. This is oil marking pen, so it will not be disappeared. You can see it. And if you want to make a holes with this sharp needle, you can punch based on the lines. If you want a wide distance, then you can mark one and skip and this one. You understand? And get it out. You can use it. And if you want to make a bigger one, like this Coke can, then you can wrap it like this. You may see it's easy to use it. And the distance will be almost the same, because this is rubber band. And make it plain. You see? And you use this sharp needle to make holes like this. Then the distance will be very even. You will not make a mistake to make holes with the size gap of the distance of the round circle. You got it? And you can keep it, this one, in your box, in your toolbox, like this. I want to show you again. This is a rubber band. You can mark the scales on this rubber band with a red and a black. Sometimes you can use a blue one as you wish. And if you wrap this rubber band in the soda can, like this size, you can make a holes with the same distance. And as it is a rubber band, if you want to make a big holes around this big soda can, then you can use this rubber band, because it is elastic, shrinking and expanding with the same distance. You can make holes very evenly distanced with this sharp needles. Then you will not make a mistake making holes around this soda can. This is big one, this is small one, and the only thing you need is this kind of a rubber band. Got it? It's really easy and piece of cake to have this one to make holes. Sometimes for this big circle, if you wrap this rubber band around this like this, then you can make holes with the same distance. You got it. You know what I mean? Okay? It's all around the same distance. You will not make a mistake making holes around the circle round can. Okay? You can make holes like this. Thanks for watching.